As I said, this is 2-year work, and now we are the first year, so not all the groups has been finished. And this is the protocol, first protocol, in which we compare different type of cells regarding impact on this cisplatin-induced acute kidney injury. Okay, this is the serum creatinine. This is the group normal rats, serum creatinine. And this is the creatinine change in cisplatin-treated group. You see significant increase in serum creatinine. And the other group in green, this is the group cisplatin injected and treated by just culture media. So no response, they say. And this is the two other group. We finished bone marrow and some of the fat-derived mesenchymal stem cell group. You see there is significant decrease in serum creatinine when we gave stem cell. And we observed no difference between the bone marrow derived and the fat or the animal bone marrow and the human adipose tissue derived mesenchymal stem cell. But both of them showed significant reduction in serum creatinine. And this is the PON value, is even more clear. This is the normal rat PON. This is the PON after cisplatin and in the rat just treated by culture media. And this is the PON in rats treated by both bone marrow derived mesenchymal stem cell and adipose derived mesenchymal cells. So functional wise, there is significant response to treatment with these stem cell groups. We are still waiting for the rest of the work of adipose tissue and also rats treated by amniotic film. We think that this improvement is through differentiation of stem cell into tubular cells, but also we look for the antioxidant, as oxygen stress could be a cause of damage, and if you treat it, this could be a way to prevent the damage. So this is the superoxide dismutase in the normal rat, and this is the treated rat, and this is the level in the untreated or those treated by culture media. So there is significant better amount of superoxide dismutase in treated rats. Histology, I think Prof described this, but this the damage, extensive damage in the outer strip of outer medulla. This is the tubular damage in untreated group. And here you see 4 days after cisplatin injection and treatment. This is the untreated group. This is the untreated group. You see, this is the damaged necrotic tubular cells, and this is the interstitial edema, extensive. But 4 days even after treatment, you see there is definitely, you see the tubular lining here much better than other. Also in between, you can see cells coming for doing the job of regeneration. Later, period 7 days after, you see it needs, you see this is the untreated group, how there is extensive damage still. In spite there is some intent for recovery, but recovery here in the treated group at 7 days is significantly better in treated group than in non-treated. 11 days, you see there is some recovery in untreated, but definitely recovery is much better than in treated animals. Different types of cells can give the job. Here in the other protocol, we compare the tail versus intra-arterial, and Mohamed showed us how we do the intra-arterial and the tail. But till now we don't have the result of subcapsular. But you see, this is the normal rat, this is the untreated rat and rat treated by culture media, and this is those treated by preferential administration and direct administration. We thought that when you give cultured media, when you give the stem cell intra-arterial, you will get much better result than when you give it peripheral. But we were surprised that the results were not so much different. We are waiting for the rest when we injected the cells into the renal tissue. The same with BUN, even the changes are more marked and more clear with BUN, and the same with oxygen stress. And this slide just to show why Dr. Fatma gave this her tedious, extensive work with tubular damage. You see her suffering. This is her suffering with us. You see, these are the different groups. She changes what she sees into figures so that we can do better statistical work, so we can reach to more solid conclusion. So at the end, I would like to conclude that this is a halfway of our job, but we can draw some conclusion. Within the available data we have, we may conclude that stem cells have therapeutic potential on cisplatin-induced kidney injury. Therapeutic effect of tested type of cells is comparable up till now. Different routes of administration are therapeutically comparable till now. Beside transdifferentiation into tubular cells, favorable action of oxygen-free radical is a possible mechanism. Being halfway, we expect more interesting data to come out of this still running two research protocol. And thank you. The second, excuse me, this session is for stem cell in our institution. I will present one of our medical students. He did a work on sepsis-induced acute kidney injury, and he used the bone marrow, I think bone marrow, Ahmed? Bone marrow derived mesenchymal stem cell to manage this story. He suffered enough. Our students are hard workers. They tested very well the frustration of experimental work, but they proved they are men. They are very good. He is going to present his work. He was supervised by Dr. Hussein Shaisha, so I think he will answer any question. But if there is something negative, Hussein will come and complete.
خليني اسالك الاول دكتور محمد، ازاي ستودنتس يعملوا الريسيرش ورك؟
اوكي. اور ميشن رسالتنا احنا كسينيورز، احنا اعلاننا دي كان طموح هنا في المركز. عندنا قناعه ان المستقبل هم يعني، واحنا عندنا قناعه ان الكباسيتي بتاعتهم احسن مننا. والان اثبت ان احنا صح بدرجه 100%. اعلنا قلنا وكنا بنعلن عن استحياء ان مش معقول الكلام ده يحصل. شباب احنا ممكن تخشوا معانا في الريسيرش، وحطينا في السايت بتاع الجامعه وحطينا ينفع اعلانات في على الابواب. جالنا مجموعه من الطلبه هم برضه مش مصدقين ان هم عملوا ريسيرش. يمكن حسين لما كان ساعات بيقول ايه، لما كان بيجي لنا احباط يقول انا اتصلت باحمد مثلا، يقول انا واقف في الطابور بجيب عيش، حاجات زي كده يعني. انما الاولاد كانوا جم قعدنا معاهم اديناهم مرة الفكره احنا بنعتقد كذا، وروحوا اقروا. راحوا قروا. طب ما قروا اتناقشوا معانا، طب اكتبوا لنا بروتوكول. كتب بروتوكول اتناقشنا معاهم فيه، نقدناه، اكتبوا تاني، كتبوا البروتوكول. في بعضهم قلنا له احنا يمكن بنعرض فكره مش عاجباك، لو عاجبك عاوز تجيب فكره تانيه تعال هات. وفي منهم ناس قالوا لا احنا عندنا فكره تانيه، زي احمد شاور. احمد شاور قال لا انا عاوز ادرس بقى، اشوف انا قريت نوشن كده ان الفيميل ليس لايبل اكيد كده انجر عن الميل، عاوز ادرس الحته دي. اعمل بروتوكول. عمل بروتوكول 6 جروب وناقشناهم معاه رائعين. احمد شاور خد جائزه احسن بحث في الكيدني ديزيز في هولندا. واحد تاني قال لا انا هشتغل على الكيدني والبرين، وده خد جائزه احسن بحث في نيورولوجي في هولندا. فهم ساعدناهم ان هم يبلوروا الفكره ويكتبوا، ما اشتغلناهمش. كان هو الطالب بين المحاضرات ينزل جري يشوف الفار بتاعه. في وسط ممكن يجي يوم الجمعه، عاوز اجي يوم الجمعه، عاوز اجي اشتغل يوم الجمعه، ماشي افتحوا معهم يوم الجمعه. فنيين ويخش يشتغل ويشرح ويعمل نفريكتومي وينجكت. فالكلام ده
بس حضرتك هم كانوا باك بكليتين وجبار يعني البيولوجي والدكتور محمد صبح
بس دايما كنا حاطينهم في المقدمه
يعني كانوا متحوطين بناس بترعاهم. بس احنا قلنا اللي يقدم الشغل دايما الستودنتس الاول
بس احنا عايزين نتاكد في مصر هو ده المستقبل. يعني لما تشوف الاي اس ان بتلاقي عدد كبير جدا اللي جاي من جنوب شرق اسيا في هذا السن.
انا هرد
لما يجي يتقدم لازم في اي حاجه شغل بعد كده لازم يكون عمل
كله بوست جراديوت، مفيش حد
اندر جراديوت.
لا ما في
لا مؤتمر العلماء ده اسمه ميديكال ستودنت كونفرنس انترناشونال كونفرنس، واثنين منهم بقى امباسادور لهم من عندنا في اكبر جامعه في هولندا في الحاجات دي. فالطالب ده
بس الطلبه بتوعنا يا دكتور حسين في انترناشونال مش ستودنت، يعني ده كانش ستودنت، ده كان كومبيتنج مقدم تو بروتوكولز كانوا في الجامعه الاوروبيه وقابلوا يعني كان غير بتوع الطلبه. ان انا اقصد ما احنا في الميرك we support professors we support lectures they didn't do well as the student did.